nina bakamalandela, nina bakaZulu, nina bakamdlokombane, ngicela ukunebingelela ngumfonkeshe. Nginebingelela nje ngendaba engekho mnandi engekho zinhle. Iqembu lezepolitiki iNkatha Freedom Party liqeda kuthula isimemezelo sokuthi the IFP Youth Brigade National Chairperson umnumzane Mthokozisi Nxumalo walapha kwaNongoma ehlalankosi usedlule emhlabeni ngengozi yemoto osuku lwayizolo. Sithi alale ngoxolo kuNxumalo. Enye insizwa lena kuthina abasha, kuthina youth ebisebenzela kakhulu, angeke ngiqamba manga. Yabona, there was time was it 2019 or 2020 ku played Zimande ekhuluma ngale ndaba yokuthi ama students why elamba kangaka, why ama students indaba yama UNSFAS, indaba yo tackle ama issues, but just to talk about umsebenzi wakhe nje umfowabo Nxumalo was one of the people we youth nje ebi active ngendlela eyisimanga when it comes to political issues and when it comes to ukusebenzela umphakathi. Sithi ke alale ngoxolo uZwide, siqhameke ngeqiwa ntwala ke, kodwa ke siyofitsizwa kosalibongo uyibekile induku ebandla fowanxumana. Kodwa ke ngizokuthanda ukufunda nasi ke statement esikhishwe iqembu iNkatha Freedom ebulivele enkosini ihlabisa. In conjunction with the Nxumalo and Mthokozisi families, we announce the tragic and untimely passing of IFP Brigade National Chairperson and Deputy Chief Whip in Parliament, Honorable Mthokozisi Nxumalo, in a car accident last night kwaNongoma. Comrade Zwide was elected IFP Youth Brigade National Chairperson in July 2019 and appointed IFP Deputy Chief Whip in January 2021, having been elected to Parliament in 2019. He served on portfolio committees for public works and infrastructure and higher education, science and technology, and previously served on portfolio committee for mineral resources and energy. He was a brilliant and dedicated young politician with a bright future who was always eager to make a contribution and speak on behalf of his constituency. Honorable Nxumalo dedicated his career to prioritizing the fight for the empowerment of young people. He was passionate about the plight of all disadvantaged young people and used every platform he was given to fight for their rights. More than that, Honorable Nxumalo was a passionate young South African, dedicated and hard-working, kind of a true servant leader. The IFP extend our deepest, most sincere and heartfelt condolences to his mother, Miss Jonas Mkhwanazi, his fiancée, Miss Nozipho Pungose, and his children, Thandolwethu and Qawe, the entire Nxumalo family, friends, comrades in Youth Brigade, and the party at large. It is with great sadness and heavy heart that we convey this news officially to the public. The IFP is utterly bereft and devastated by this tragic loss. Honorable Mthokozisi Nxumalo was our youngest member of Parliament, a passionate young leader who was loved by all in the party and by his colleagues in Parliament. He still had a long and bright future ahead of him. Honorable Nxumalo has served almost his entire life in the IFP and has worked in all structures of the party before being nominated and elected to serve in Parliament. He served as a president of the South African Democratic Student Movement, SADESMO. He will be sorely missed by the rank and file of the IFP. We ask the family to be given some time and space to mourn his passing. Details of the burial and memorial service will be communicated in due course. Contact Khuleko Hlengwa and IFP National Spokesperson. Angiboni ukuthi ngaba sekuba icebo right ukuthi ngimemezele nezinombolo zocingo, kodwa ke ikhona kuma official social media pages eqembu lezepolitiki iNkatha Freedom Party. Ngiyabonga.